Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Welcome back at another RESTful API tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to create Express.js server. So I'm using here the ID Visual Studio Code. Double click on this. My ID will be open here. This is from Microsoft. So you know very well Microsoft. Close it. So just to create a new project, go there, open folder, and you can create here directory, or I have already created the folder RESTful example like this folder, and we have the folder like this. Now the first command which we have to run here, so we have to put, for creating any express application, we have to put npm init. Okay, this command is compulsory, npm init. By using this command, we are creating a package.json file. That file is responsible as a manifesto file in which we give the information about the application which we are going to create. So press enter. It will ask some information. You have to complete those information, like you want to give the application name. I said RESTful program. Okay, RESTful example. Press enter. Then version. Press enter. Description, if you want to give any description, like this is my RESTful application. Okay, enter. Then give the application app.js is my entry file. Entry means the starting file, beginning file. Then press enter. No repository, no keyword. Author, my name, Dr. Vipin Kumar. Then no license and say yes. Okay, so this file have been created here. This file is the manifesto file for any Node.js application for Express.js. Okay, so every kind of information is here. You can manually change also here. You can change whatever you want to change, but remember this is the entry file. So this file we have to create for starting a Express server. So click here. Put, we are creating a new file app.js. Here we are creating a Express server. So put Express equal to require and Express. Okay, what we are giving here, we are creating a object of Express for using a Express module. Require is just like a include in C and import in Java. So we are importing here the module number Express. So this is the required. By using require, we import here module. Then by using Express module, we are creating a application object, okay, from the Express server. Now we are starting a Express server to listen on a particular port, in which we are giving here process.env.port. That means I explain you later on what is the meaning of this. So first of all, process.env.port means if you are installing this application on server, so it will take the port number from the server on which you are running, because you don't know which port your server is running. So it take the port from that particular server. Otherwise, it will run on 3000 port. In my machine, it will run on 3000 port. But if I will install this on the running server or a remote server, then it will run on the default port of the server. Now we have to give the callback function here. In this callback function, we have to pass the parameter error, and then we are checking if there is an error. If error, okay, then print console.log. What have to print? We have to print error. Okay, but if there is no error, then print running server on port number 3000. Okay, because it will run on this port. Clear? Now we have to create a route on which, suppose we are creating a route query. So on a route, what we want to display? This function take four parameter, but here we are using only two parameter, request and response. Okay, so this get function take two parameter. First parameter is the route, or we called URL. Okay, URL. I will show you later on what is the meaning of this. And second one is a function. So this function take, this is callback function. It will execute whenever anybody will call this, anyone will call this particular URL from the browser, then this function will call. This function having a four parameter, but right now I'm taking only two, request and response. Later on I will take all the parameters. So now you have to give the reply to browser by using a send command. Okay, by using a send function, sorry, response dot send. Okay, what we are saying here? We are saying here, welcome to Express server. Okay, this will be print if you call this. Now you have to save. Click on here, save, and in a terminal window, you have to type here node app.js. Remember, node app.js and press enter. So it's saying the error cannot find the module Express. Why? Because I have not installed so far the module which I am using here. Like this module I am not using, I am not installed. I am using Express module, but I am not installing it. You see, there is an error. Okay, error is cannot find the module Express. So first of all, we have to install the Express. For installing any module, we have to execute a command express install express and put here save. What is the meaning of this? npm is the package manager of node.js that will install the express. Install is a command. This is a module. Express will install from the server using internet, and it will update it here because as a dependency. This save, we are saying here save. Save means this express should be entered in this file as a dependency. What is the meaning of this dependency? That means if you install this particular application on any server, so from this file we can find out the what kind of module the application required. So we required the module express in this file, in this application. So it taking data from the internet, is executing data from the internet, and you will see that it will execute also. It will update the file this as a dependency. Here you see. So dependency means this particular application which we are going to create that need express. Okay, so if any other person will install this application on server, then they can recognize the what kind of module this application required by using this object dependency. So this is key and this is value. Okay, so we require express or version this. So we have installed. Now we have to run the command node app.js and we press enter. If everything is right, it's say running server on port 3000. That means it is running on 3000 port. Now we go to browser. On browser, we will test whether server is running or not. Here we put localhost and port number 3000. You see, welcome to Express server. And what we have display here? We have display welcome to Express server.